So hey friends, welcome back to my channel, and your coding partner Ravina is back again with an interesting video. So friends, today I'm going to give you the Whitehat Junior project number 7 code that says Star Wars. So let me tell you the story of this project. So what happens is, there, as you can see, when I'm placing my mouse, there is a character. Its name is droid. It has to defeat all the enemies and has to score points, and there will be a score limit. If this droid reaches that score limit, then it would win. If the score limit is beneath that limit, the score which we will get, it is beneath that limit, then our character will lose, and if it above that limit, then our character would win. So it would be working like this and having some obstacles, and there would be some enemies. If we will defeat them, our score would be like this, and when we will touch the obstacles, then we would be losing. So let me tell you the code for this project. Okay, so now what I have to do is, here I have to go to actions, and here I have to take set the map. Here I'll take so that the map will be decided, and let's do this map for, so I'll do it here grid. For now you can see this is fine. So what I'm gonna do is, after this I have to set the speed for the droid. So for that I go to the action and take this set. I'm gonna remove this one now. Set droid speed to, you can do it, I'm doing it fast right now. After that, what I'll do is, I have to take this wait for, and you can do it whatever you want. I'm gonna take this for 2.5 seconds. Even you cannot wait it also, but I am waiting for it now. Now after touching this wait for 2.5 seconds, I have to take this repeat loop and I have to put it here. Now you can repeat it 15 times. I am preferring you that. After that, you have to add a stormtrooper or whatever you want. I'm doing it a rebel pilot and puffer pig. After that, what I'll do is, I'll go to the actions and take a wait for 1.5 something second, but please don't make it 2, otherwise the user would leave the game. After that, what I'll do, I'll go to the actions again and take a add a, and here I can do whatever I want. I'm doing it on turn. After that, we have to code so that the droid would move. Otherwise, when I'm running right now, you can see our enemies are created. See, the code is on wait for 2.5 seconds, and now our enemies are created. Let me do this 1 second so that the user won't leave the game, and now you can see our enemies are created. I can even do it 1 second also, so that it doesn't take that much time. You can see the enemies are created. Now I'm pressing the arrow keys, but it isn't moving. What I'm going to do is, when left arrow click, I'm going to take this. When left arrow click, I'll go to the actions and take move droid left by 20 pixels or 15, whatever you want. Like, let me check this, and yeah, left key is working completely. Now I have to code this for the rest. Right, up, down. Let's do it. Okay friends, as you can see, I have done the code for the left, right, up and down. Now I'm going to delete this. When right click, it's of no use. Now when get any character, I'll go to game/score and score a point. I'll click here, and when any obstacle touch, again go to here and remove 1 point. Now I'll run and check, see, let the obstacles come. And as you can see, when I'm touching these, all my score is to the 1, and when I'm touching these obstacles, my score is going below, and I'm touching these, then my score is again coming up. So this is a bit of hard game because the obstacles are hard, and our moving pixels is a lot. You can even do it less, but I'm doing it hard so that suspense would be there in the game, that yeah, we are losing, not like that only. So friends, now if I'll touch any character, then we'll scoring a point, and when I'll touch the obstacle, then it would be removing a points. Now what I have to do is, that I said you that there would be a score limit. I have to take this, I'll click on it, Control C, and I'll click on the screen, Control V. There are 2, and I'll go to the events and take when get all characters. I'll also do it Control C and here Control V. After that, I'll attach it here. If score limit is less than 3, I'll go there, end game as lost, and I'll now do it here also. That is, score limit is above 20. The score limit is above 20. End game as win. Now let's check this whether it's working or not. So that it doesn't take a lot of time, I'm just taking it repeat 1 time. Let me do it, and for now I'm doing it score limit 1 and let me do it 0. Let's see. I'll just do my score beneath 0. As you can see, I'm doing my score minus 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let me go here, click on this, click on this, click on this. As you can see, it's saying you lose. So friends, as you can see, my score was above 1, so I won. So now I will set it to before what it was. I'll do that 20, I'll do that 20, and yeah, it would work. And this I'm doing it again 15. Now the next thing that I need to do is we'll go to the actions and take events and take one get any character, and you're gonna go to the action, play whatever sound you want. You can do it random also, but I'm doing it right now for mouse droid 1 sound. Let's run it, and now you might be able to hear that when I'm touching any enemy, then it is playing that sound and our score is also increasing. Now I'll go to the events. When obstacle touch, I'll click on this, Control C, Control V, play allow 4 sound, and I'll again click on this, Control C, Control V, and I'll go to here, and again Control V, and go to here. When we will be losing, then it would be saying alert 1 sound, and when we will be winning, it would be saying this applause. And yeah, that's nice. Now what I need to do is, now I have to just take the game, and I think so guys, this map is having a lot of obstacles. Let me do it blobs, this blobs only. Let's run this, and yeah, that's easy for now. I'm doing this, otherwise you can do it whatever you want. And as you can see, when I am clicking the obstacle, alert sound is being played if you hear carefully, and when I am touching these all, then it's playing some other sound. So friends, as you can see, it played the applause sound, and yeah, I won. So friends, I hope you have understood the code. So if you enjoyed today's video, then please make sure to like the video, and the code link for this project is given in the description. It would be edited link also and non-edited project one link also for your practice. So guys, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.